Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use CapCut PC to edit your images. So I'm just going to select this image right here, and you can add in filters if you want, like this black and white filter. Just press add to track, and I'm just going to adjust it slowly, kind of at the end a little bit, and right click and then create compound clip, and then select cutout, and I'm going to select auto cutout. And I'm just going to put it on this kind of black background, and I'm going to adjust the brightness a little bit. Okay, I know this isn't perfect, but I'm just going to do this edit real quick. So add in a default text, and I'm just going to type in hello, and I'm also going to change the font. Okay, and then I'm going to put it below the picture, so put the picture and put it on top of the text. Then I'm going to copy and paste the text, and I'm just going to put it on top of the person. Then I'm going to choose I'm going to add in a stroke, and I'm actually going to use this for the inside part, like the color, like the fill, and this for the stroke. I'm also going to adjust the thickness a little bit. Then I'm going to right click, create compound clip, and I'm going to go to video, blend mode, and I'm going to choose screen or brighten. Let's just see if, or soft light can also work. Or maybe color dodge is better. And as you can see, it creates this really cool text effect in my opinion. Maybe put it down a little bit more, like here, so it doesn't block her face. I'm going to do that with the outline too, and just try to, actually I'm just going to redo that again, so it's right on top of the text. And that's it. To export it as an image, you're just going to select these three lines, export still frame, and it's going to be exported as an image, like a JPEG. Just select your folder here too, and just select export. And if you enable import project, it's going to be in your media file here. As you can see, it's an image now. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!